Hey guys, it's your girl Clark and welcome back to my channel. So we have a new video for today, and this video is we're going to review the newest release ng Squad Cosmetics, which is their I-Series collection. So kung gusto niyo panood tong video na ito, just keep on watching. Actually, available na siya in selected malls itong product na ito. And umorder na lang ako kasi nainganyo ako sa isang shade range ng palette na ito, etong si Lucid Dreams, so that I can review to you. And gusto ko kasi yung dalawa kasi hindi ko na kasi meron na ako mga nudes or mga earth tones, pare-pareho lang, pero ito yung magpapa-struck ng attention ko sa color palette na nila nakakaiba with this one. Kaya ito yung kinuha ko. And by the way, this is 299 pesos. And let's see on the swatches. So we're gonna swatch this one. So first shade, ito yung first time na may pag-glitter si Squad. Then let's move on to the shimmers. I love the glitter. First shimmer. So browns. Wow. Then second one, ito yung panalo. Yung mala Euphoria vibes. Wow. Ito yung nagbibigay ng Euphoria vibes. This one is the third one. Okay. I love this kind of color. Kind of fun. Third one is this violet. Next one is flesh. Third one is, and then last is brown. So ito lahat ng shades ng kanilang I-Series collection. So we are going to review right now this palette. We're gonna make a extraordinary makeup look. So first shade na ginamit ko is, lagay tayo ng pinaka-nude na shade with this one para ma-intensify yung natin. Ayan. This is shade Must. Then I'm gonna use another brush to put maglagay tayo ng violet. Pick na naman ako para violet na naman yung mga makeup look ko. Mga eye makeup look ko recently. Okay, medyo. First layer, may konting color lang, pero may pagka, wait lang. May pagka, may pagka-patchy siyang tignan, guys. Ang patchy niya, ha? Pero pag second layer, dun mo, second layer, doon nagkakaroon ng color payoff nito. Yung color payoff nito may pagka-patchiness siya with this one. Then i-blend off natin to with browns para ma-intensify. Let's put it here. Mga mima, totoo nito ang patchy nila. Ang patchy ng nila, yung what is happening, ang patchy nila, guys. Ang patchy, guys. Then we're gonna put the shimmers. Yung shimmers natin using a brush. Okay, first application ko dito is meron yung kahit kaunti lang. Ito lang yung pag-asa ko kasi ang ganda ng pagkagawa nila, in fairness, pagkagawa nila ng formula with this one. Ito yung pag-asa ko. Dito talaga ang babawi sa shimmers. Pero yung matte nila, yung mga ordinary na ganito nila, ang patchy nila, guys. Okay, ang patchy. Pero, ito hindi siya ganun ka-patchy with their shimmers. Panalo talaga to. Let's, put this one. Kung gagana siya. Tulad ng mga ganito kung ibang mga glitter. In fairness with this one, naging mermaid ako with this one. As is. Naging mermaid ako with this shade. Then let's put here the tear ducts. Up here. This shade. Final review or final thoughts with this palette. Ang shimmers nila ang nag-stand out sa akin, especially this first 3 in here. Yung sa mattes nila, hindi ko kinaya na sobrang patchy niya while applying it on my eyes. Sobrang patchy niya talaga kasi kailangan, you need more time to blend it off using yung, ang hirap niyang i-blend. You need time to have a color, literally color payoff when you apply the eyeshadow kasi ang hirap niya talaga, sobrang patchy talaga while I'm putting it on my eye, while I'm applying it on my eyes. Ang nag-stand out talaga sa akin, this the 2 shades that nag-stand out ako. I like the glitters talaga, as in. Tapos ito, panalo talaga itong shade na ito. I like the way that they mix it like this, then it gives the amount of color on my eyelids as well. So that's it for my review in the I-Series collection palette. So I just want to say thank you guys for watching, and I hope that you like this video. Just don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless and bye-bye. See you in my next video.